Hey, I'm doing a follow-up on my 2018 Cadillac ATS with the 2.0 LTG turbocharged intercooled engine. A follow-up of the catch can installation and how the catch can's doing so far. Well, I've put like 3,000 miles on it since I put the catch can in, so I figure it's a good time to show you how much oil residue I caught. So let's take a peek. Let's see how much oil I caught, or oil blow-by that I caught. Well, let's look inside the catch can. And as you can see, wow, very little. But you can see that little bit of blow-by that the catch can caught. It's doing really good. It's no longer filling my intake tube right about here. The intake tube was getting full of oil blow-by puddling. But now with this catch can, you can see it's getting caught right here. And there's really not enough yet to dump. So I'm just going to put it right back in. Right back inside. As you can see, it's proven to be a really good catch can kit. Get her all tightened again. There we go. So there you have it, and I hope you enjoyed this follow-up video, and there'll be more things going on with this Cadillac LTG engine in the future. I hope to find a reputable tuner for a 2018 Cadillac ATS, because most of the tuners they sell are for like 2016 and older. Some are 2015 and older. But there seems to be no tuners available for the 2018 for some reason. So once I find one of those, that'll put all my mods together. That'll make my intake and exhaust and catted downpipe mod pay off, because the tune is what puts everything together. The factory has a torque management system that as soon as it senses 300 foot-pounds of torque, it backs off your boost and backs off the throttle. It's really terrible. So it doesn't let you enjoy the benefits of your intake and exhaust until you get a tune that relieves or basically removes the torque management part of the tune. Well, I hope to get that someday for my 2018 and get this car faster and faster and faster. With that all-wheel drive and turbocharged intercooled potential, it could be a very fast car if I could just find the right tune to put everything together. Well, you have a great day, and mad boosting.